When teaching the academic vocabulary historical records, the first thing I would do would be provide a description, explanation, or example of this new term. I would read the definition, and then I would draw an example. For example, I might draw a painting of a famous war that might have occurred, so the students can see an example of a different kind of historical record. Then I would have the students restate what a historical record is. They should be able to do this in their own words. Many of my level 6 students would be able to do that. If not, they can use a definition to help them. Then I would have them, for the third step, construct a picture, symbol, or graphic that is not the same as mine. With this symbol or graphic, they would show their understanding of what a historical record is. Then we could go through different activities to help them add knowledge to terms. We could talk about various historical records from different countries in order to bring in cultural references from other places. We might even draw pictures of other historical records not seen here, so they can add more vocabulary and understanding the knowledge of historical records. Then we will discuss those terms together. That would be step 5. The new historical record terms that they are learning, we can talk about those, talk about their significance, their importance, and why they might be important to different parts of the world. Then at the end, we can play different games. Maybe I draw several pictures and students have to choose what a historical record is and what a historical record or is not. Or possibly the students draw the pictures of what historical records are and are not in order to prove their understanding. And those are the 6 levels that we would go through, the 6 steps to teach academic vocabulary.